Hi everyone. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to parse data from URL, Node.js, in JavaScript using PDF.co Web API. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. So let's begin. First, open the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Next, enter the JavaScript sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the source code in the description box below. In line 11, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 15, input the source file URL. In line 18, type in your desired output file name. For line 23, enter your template file name. After setting up the code, save the file. Now, let's run the program. In your terminal, type Node.js to see the result. The program runs successfully, the output was saved to JSON file. Now, let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the parse data from URL in JSON format. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website, or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.